Hey, congratulations. So you've decided to do some liposuction or some contouring around the body. So we're happy to help you. We want to go through a couple of tips and tricks just to get you prepared and know what you're going to get into and for afterwards to make your recovery as easy and painless as possible. So when we do liposuction, we make teeny tiny little incisions, about 1/4 of an inch. And they're going to be placed strategically throughout the body in order to get us access so we can remove the fat that we want to remove and contour those curves exactly how we want to do it. They heal within just a couple of days. And oftentimes I don't close those shut because when we do liposuction, we pump some fluid into the body. That helps. It's got some numbing medication in there to help you help with postoperative pain control. It's got things to decrease your bruising. And then we're going to suck out all the fatty tissue. With there, sometimes afterwards, there's some leftover fluid and your body's going to leak some fluid out. And we'll talk about this in your consultation. We're going to talk about it the day of surgery. We're going to talk about it after surgery. But your body is going to leak some fluid out of these teeny little incisions that we place. That's going to be for the first couple of days after your procedure. And we want all that fluid out. So this is a normal process. And we tell you about it now just so you know that that's going to happen. But with that fluid coming out, we want you to collect that fluid so you don't get your car dirty or your couch or your bed at home while you're recovering. So there's a couple of tips and tricks that we're going to show you. So you want to get some absorbent pads ahead of time if you can. We use Chuck's pads is what we call them. You can get them at Walgreens, you can get them at Walmart, whatever your pharmacy, drugstore of choice. You can also get them at the pet store and they're just called puppy pads. You may already have some of these at home. Just an absorbent sheet, kind of like a diaper. Again, we have fluid coming out. This is a little pad. And what we'll typically do is we'll use these and, I'm gonna fold them up typically into like thirds or something. All right, so let's say you had some liposuction of your back and your flanks along with a tummy tuck. There's gonna be teeny little holes of the lower back and on your hip area. And a little fluid's gonna leak out of there. So we're gonna put one of these little puppy pads or Chuck's pads underneath your binder, and we'll show you that here in a sec. But you want something on there just to collect that fluid so that, again, it's not leaking out as you're sitting in the car ride home or when you're sitting on the couch at home. You can also just put a pad down underneath you in the bed and change it as you need to. But again, that's going to be a normal process afterwards. Within 2 to 3 days, that all stops. The more fluid we get out, the better. The quicker your recovery is going to be, the less puffy you're going to feel. So hopefully this video helps, and we'll see you in the next one.